Diving Service here at the Catherine Lane. I am at the port aft corner of the boat, and I'm going to look for any signs of water intrusion on the hulls here. We're trying to use some splash zone to try and locate something, but I think this may be where the water intrusion is, even though it's above the water line. I think it may just be getting in through here when you're running and saturating the wood down here. I don't see any spots like that below the hull, but let's take a look. Good. Okay,